Rule number 1 is never lose money. Rule number 2 is never forget rule number 1. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. If you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Our favorite holding period is forever. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Never invest in a business you cannot understand. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Never depend on a single income. Make an investment to create a second source. I will tell you how to become rich. Close the doors. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. Today, people who hold cash equivalents feel comfortable. They shouldn't. They have opted for a terrible long-term asset, one that pays virtually nothing, and is certain to depreciate in value. We never want to count on the kindness of strangers in order to meet tomorrow's obligations. When forced to choose, I will not trade even a night's sleep for the chance of extra profits. Don't pass up something that's attractive today because you think you will find something better tomorrow. Forecasts may tell you a great deal about the forecaster. They tell you nothing about the future. When trillions of dollars are managed by Wall Streeters charging high fees, it will usually be the managers who reap outsized profits, not the clients. The best chance to deploy capital is when things are going down. Wall Street is the only place that people ride to in a Rolls-Royce to get advice from those who take the subway.